Hello class 9. In this video you will watch the quick revision and basic concepts of chapter 11 surface area and volume. So the first topic is right circular cone. See what is the meaning of right circular cone. In this figure you can see these are not right circular cone because the vertex is not making a right angle with the base, and this base is not exactly right circular. So right circular is this one. This base is circular and the vertex is making the right angle with the base. Curved surface area. What is the meaning of curved surface area? This surrounding, excluding the base. This is the curved surface area whole. So pi r L. This is the formula of curved surface, and the important relation between slant height, radius and height. L is square root of r square plus h square. In a cone, this is a straight height, this is a slant height, and this one is radius. So using the Pythagoras, L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. And the total surface area means curve plus right circular base. Total means curved surface area plus base. Curved surface area is pi r L and base is circular, so it is pi r square. So common is pi r L plus r. This is the total surface area formula of right circular cone. These examples are very easy. Solutions are given. See the second one, the height of cone is 16 and the base radius is 12. Find the curved surface. So first they found the slant height with the help of Pythagoras. Thereafter curved surface area is calculated using the formula pi r L and total surface area pi r L plus pi r square, or you can use pi r L plus r, same thing. Remember here in place of pi they use the 3.14 because it was given in the question. See, pi is equal to 3.14. Whatever is instructed value of pi, that we have to use. Example 3 is important. Logical question. It is given that a concave shaped somewhat like cone. Shape of concave is considered as a right circular cone. Radius is 2.1 and the height is 20 centimeter. If each 1 centimeter square of surface of cob carries an average of 4 grains, find how many grains you would be find on the entire cob. So first of all, I calculated slant height with the help of Pythagoras. So it is 20.11 approx. Then surface area is pi r L. So they use the 22/7. If value is not instructed here, then we can use the 22/7. It is a common value widely used in the questions, but it is if it is given 3.14, then you have to use 3.14 pi r L. So approx it is coming 132.73. Now given that number of grains on 1 centimeter square is 4, therefore the number of grains on entire cob is this area into 4. 4 grains carries the 1 centimeter square. So they multiply by 4. Approx 531 grains. Exercise 11.1. All solutions of exercise questions I have already uploaded on my channel. You can find out in class 9 maths playlist. Question number 6, 7 and this question 3rd. These 3 questions are very important. Generally the teacher asks in their class test, and you can find these questions in previous question paper also. Now curved surface area of the sphere. Sphere has a uniform shape. So you can write the surface area or curved surface area, same thing, it is 4 pi r square, because no need to differentiate here the curved surface and surface area due to its uniform shape. So curved surface area, or you can write the surface area, total surface area, it is 4 pi r square. But in the case of hemisphere, curved surface area will be half of total surface area 2 pi r square. Curved means this portion. This is a curved surface area. Here the total surface area formula will be different. The curved surface plus circular base. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, it is 3 pi r square. Because it is not a uniform, this portion is curved and this is a base, unlike this sphere. Examples are very easy, but example 7 is important. Let us see. A hemispherical dome is given here. It need to be painted. Circumference is given 17.6. We have to find the total cost of painting at the rate of rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square. First of all, with the help of circumference. Circumference is given 17.6. So radius we calculate with the help of this circumference. 2 pi decimal 0 will come and 22 1 ja is 22 and this is 22 8 ja 176. So radius is 28 upon 7 4 ja 28 upon 10, 2.8 meter. Now this hemispherical dome, so curved surface area will be 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7, radius 2.8 square. Decimal, so it is 0. Now 7 and this 7 4 ja. Finally it is coming 49.28 meters square. Now we have to find out the cost. See, it is given in the question, cost of 100 centimeter square is equal to rupees 5. But we calculated this area in meter square. So either you convert this one in centimeter square or this one. So let us write this one in 10,000. 1 meter square is equal to 10,000. So it will be 100 upon 10,000 meter square. Cost is rupees 5. Instead of 100 centimeter square, we write this much. So this 0 cancel. So cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 500. So the total cost 49.28 meters square into 500. So it will be rupees 2640. Exercise 11.2. On this question, the question 4 logical, this is important, and this question 9 is important. Let us see the fourth question. The radius of spherical balloon increases from 7 to 14. 7 to 14. Find the ratio of surface area. So let it is 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square. Initially, the balloon radius is r1. Then after filling the air, it is R2, R1, R2. 4 pi cancel, it will be R1 upon R2 whole square. This is square common. Now it is increases 7 to 14. So we can write 7 upon 14 whole square. 7 to the 14. So it will be 1 upon 4. So answer will be 1 upon 4 or 1:4 ratio. Question 9. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Surface area of the sphere, it is very simple, 4 pi r square. Now surface area of the cylinder. See, this is the radius r. So this diameter will be 2r. This diameter is equal to the height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is diameter. So the curved surface area of cylinder,
second part,
2 pi RH, the curved surface area of the cylinder. 2 pi radius will be same, but instead of the h we will write 2r. So this will be also 4 pi r square. Second part or third part, ratio. Ratio means 4 pi r square, curved surface area of the sphere and curved surface area of the cylinder. So it will be 1:1. Now volume of this right circular cone. See, by this activity they showed that in a cylinder of same height of the cone, if we poured some liquid or water, then by pouring the 3 cones this cylinder can fill. It shows that the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h, because volume of cylinder is pi r square h, volume of cylinder. So this will be 1/3. Using this activity they verified that. So what is the relation between this right circular cone volume and cylinder volume of same height and same radius? The volume of cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Vice versa, you can say the volume of cylinder is 3 times of the volume of cone. So this is the volume of cone. And this question, this example is very simple, but this example is very, very important. See, in this question, Monica has a piece of canvas. The area of the canvas is 551 meters square. She used to have the form a conical tent by this canvas with the base radius 7, and assuming that all stitching margins and wastage is approximately 1 meter square. Find the volume of tent made of it. See here in the solution, curved surface area of the tent. The tent is in the form of cone, right circular cone. So it is pi r L. Pi r L is equal to area of the cloth. That canvas is 550. So with the help of this calculation, L is calculated 25 meter. L, see, 550 upon this pi r. So L will be 550 upon 22 by 7. Radius is 7. 7 cancel. So by 11 it is 11 5 ja, 11 2 ja, so it is 25 meter. Now with the help of this Pythagoras, I calculated the height, because for the volume we need the height. L 25 and this radius is 7. So h is equal to L square minus r square square root 25 square minus 7 square. 625 minus 49 square root. Now let us calculate the volume. 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi is 22 by 7. Radius 7, so 7 into 7, and height we calculated 24. 7 cancel. 3 8 ja, 24. So it is coming 22 into 56. 1232 meter cube. This is the volume. Now exercise 11.3, all question solution I have already uploaded. In this question, this 7th and 8th is very, very important. So student, let us explore the question 7 and 8. In question it is said that one right angle triangle of sides 5, 12 and 13, it is revolve along the side 12. Revolve means like this. So it is assumed that right circular cone will be formed after this revolution. So this height will be constant, radius also constant. We need to find the volume. 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 pi, radius 5 into 5, h 12. So this is 3 4 ja. So it is coming 25 4 ja, 100 pi. In terms of pi we have to find. This was the question 7. Now in 8th question, situation is just opposite. Same right angle triangle. Now the height will be 5 and radius will be 12. This is as it is. Now this is revolve and form the cone. 5 and radius is 12. Now the volume will be using the same formula, 1 upon 3 pi r square into h, where into 4 into 5 pi. This 3, 4 is 12, 112 will cancel. 48 into 5, it will be 240 pi. This is a question 8 answer. Suppose this is V2 and this is a question 7 answer V1. Now in question 8, it is said that find the ratio in two different situations. So V1 upon V2 is equal to 100 pi upon 240 pi. Pi will be cancel. 0 0 cancel. So the finally it will be 5 upon 12. This is the ratio. This is the ratio of the volume of cones in two different situations. So these two questions you explore yourself also, very important. A part of this question, question 4th and this question 6 is also important. Now volume of the hemisphere, 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Very simple, you have to put the values only. These kind of the questions are logical question important. The short put means spherical metallic ball, radius 4.9, density is given, and the relation is very simple in physics. Density of any material is mass upon volume. So the mass will be density into volume. So volume we calculated with the formula 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is the volume and this is the density. It is calculated by unitary method, but you can calculate directly. Mass is equal to density into volume. Density is given in the question 7.8 gram per centimeter cube into volume is 493. So this is 3845.44 gram, approx 3.85 kilogram. And exercise 11.4, this question 3rd, same based on density, important question. 4th logical, and this 9th is also logical question, important. 3rd question, volume is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube of metallic ball. Diameter is given 4.2 centimeter, so radius will be 2.1 centimeter. So the volume will be 4 upon 3 pi means 22 by 7 r cube. We can write 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. Now see the calculation, 3 decimals I am removing, 3 zeros will come here, 7,000. Now 3 7 ja 21, 7 7 cancel. 4 into 22 into 21 into 21 upon 1000. So if we multiply all this, it is coming 8, 4 2 ja 8, 38808 upon 1000. So it is 38.808 centimeter cube volume. Now see the concept of physics, mass is equal to density into volume. So density is given in the question 8.9 gram per meter cube. So 8.9 into 38.808. If you multiply this one, it will come 345.39 gram. So this is a mass of metallic ball. Now let us see the one more important question, number 4th, logical question. However, all exercise question solution uploaded, but we are doing again here the important some logical question. So question number 4, diameter of moon approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Then we have to find the ratio. Simply dm let the diameter of moon and de let the diameter of earth. It is given dm is 1/4 of de, means diameter of earth. So proportionally radius will also 1/4. Now volume ratio Vm upon Ve 4 upon 3 pi Rm cube 4 upon 3 pi Re cube. So this will be cancelled. Now in place of Re, see here Re will be 4 times of Rm. So we can write here Rm upon 4 Rm whole cube. In place of Re, we are writing 4 times of Rm. Rm cancel. So 1 upon 4 cube means 1 upon 64. This is the answer. Ratio of the volume of Moon and Earth. Now next logical question number 9. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r, surface area s, are melted to form the sphere with surface area s dash. So first part radius r dash you have to find, second part the ratio of s and s dash, surface areas ratio. Now see student, in the conversion material will be unchanged. Material means the volume will be unchanged. So we'll compare the volume 27 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Initially it is given 27 spheres of radius r is equal to 1 sphere of radius r dash. Now 4 upon 3 pi cancel. You don't write here, don't put here the value of pi because it will be cancel. 27 r cube is r dash cube. So we can write r dash cube is equal to 3r whole cube. Cube cancel. So r dash will be 3r. This is the answer of first part. The radius r dash, new radius will be 3r. If you convert the 27 spheres to one sphere, r dash is 3r first part. Now for second part, ratio of surface area. So it means s upon s dash 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r dash square. So 4 pi cancel, r square r dash square. So in place of r dash we can put 3r. R square upon 9r square, r square cancel. So answer will be 1 upon 9, or we can say the ratio is 1:9. So my dear students, if you are not subscribed this channel, you subscribe this channel to get the next video. Thank you.